Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Luno to another wallet. Now, the first thing I would like you to do is to launch the Luno app on your phone, sign in to your account, and complete the verification to continue. Now, before sending Bitcoin, confirm that your Bitcoin wallet has enough funds to cover the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and the applicable network fee, which is displayed before you confirm the transaction. To check your balance, go ahead and click on portfolio at the top of the screen. So if you have Bitcoin available, by clicking on buy crypto to buy your Bitcoin, you'll be able to see your Bitcoin wallet and Bitcoin. If you don't have any Bitcoin yet, you will need to buy or receive Bitcoin before you can send it. So from the portfolio section, if you have a Bitcoin wallet already, just go ahead and tap BTC or Bitcoin. Tap on it, it's going to open your Bitcoin wallet where you can view your balance and transaction history. Now, inside your Bitcoin wallet, go ahead and tap send. You're going to see a couple of buttons, and one of them is send, just like this. Then tap send. Once you tap send, Luno will ask where you would like to send your Bitcoin. If you're sending Bitcoin to another wallet outside Luno, select cryptocurrency address. Now you have to be sure that you have completed your verification process before you can even send. All right. So once you do that, in your Bitcoin wallet, select cryptocurrency address. If you're sending Bitcoin to another Luno user, you may instead see options such as sending to another Luno customer, depending on your region and app version. All right. So once you do that, choose cryptocurrency address to send Bitcoin to an external wallet. You will now need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. You can do this by either pasting the wallet address into the address field or tapping the QR code icon and scanning the recipient's Bitcoin wallet's QR code. Before continuing, double check that the address is a Bitcoin address and make sure that you're sending Bitcoin to a wallet that supports the Bitcoin network. Sending Bitcoin to an incompatible address or unsupported network can result in permanent loss of your funds. You don't want that. The next thing is to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Depending on your region, you may also be able to enter the amount in your local currency, and Luno will automatically convert it to its Bitcoin equivalent. As you enter the amount, Luno will display the estimated network fee and the total amount to be deducted from your wallet. Before confirming, carefully review the recipient's Bitcoin address, the amount you're sending, the network fee, and the total deduction from your Bitcoin wallet. Take a few extra seconds to verify every detail. Bitcoin transactions cannot be reversed once they have been broadcast to the blockchain. If everything is A-OK, tap confirm or send. Now, depending on your security settings, Luno may ask you to enter your account password, complete two-factor authentication, or approve the transaction using your chosen security method. Just follow the prompts to authorize the transfer. After confirmation, Luno will broadcast your Bitcoin transaction to the Bitcoin network, and the transaction will appear in the Bitcoin wallet transaction history with a status such as pending while it's waiting for blockchain confirmations. So once the required network confirmations have been completed, the recipient's wallet will receive the Bitcoin. Confirmation times vary depending on Bitcoin network activity and congestion. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.